Here's Hunter on his brand new bike.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
I went to Hawrelak before and got it really dirty.
Say hi.
Not so dirty. Hi.
Pretty cool. Hunter on his brand new bike. Okay, stop because you're on the road. Do you want to go this way or do you want to start heading back?
I'll just do like this.
Okay, so what did you think of your new bike?
Good.
Yeah? Well, how was the steering on it?
Well, it depends. I'm not quite sure yet, but...
You need to spend a little more time with it?
Yeah.
What about the gears?
The steering is really good. It's like my other bike, except it doesn't like go as far, and the other bike didn't have a kickstand. So I'm just getting used to the kickstand.
Okay, it seems pretty smooth.
Yeah.
Now, what about your gears?
Really good.
Yeah, but they're a little hard, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so might have to adjust the gears. Okay, no, not without your helmet. Okay.
I'll just try to...
No, that's fine. Oh, make sure you put that back on.
I'll just show
Okay.
them how good it works.
So now,
I'll just show them how good it works.
just wait, Hunter, my boy. I love you. Oh, it works well, I shouldn't say perfect, but we will definitely have to do some adjusting. Did you have fun?
I just want to show them.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
That's most important, right? Okay. Love you.
Love you too.